Okay, so for this question, it's asking which of the following equations are not true. So what that means is that if you look at them, they have expressions on each side, and they're saying they're equivalent, but they do have variables. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and substitute. Remember, y is gonna be 3. So you could do 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you wanna do it. I usually use 3 because it's a small number. Please don't use 0 or 1. You could use 2, but sometimes that gets confusing, especially if it's 2 times 2 or something like that. So I don't use 2, I usually use 3. So it's up to you which number you want to use, but I'm going to be using 3. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute. So what that means, I'm going to put, instead of y, I'm going to put 3 for each of those. So I'm going to start with A. And remember, you're still using order of operations, so you're still doing PEMDAS. So I'm going to solve little by little. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 plus 8 is 13. So let's see, this is true. So here I have parentheses, so I have to do parentheses first. So 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 2 is 13. So that is correct. But it's saying which one is not. So I need to remember that, because sometimes that gets confusing. So I'm going to try the next one. So again, I'm going to put 3 instead of what it has. So here I have 11 minus 3, and again, we're going from left to right because PEMDAS, we have subtraction and addition, ask us to do left to right. So 11 minus 3 is 8, plus 15 is going to give us 23. And here in parentheses is first, so I'm going to do 11 minus 3 is 8, plus 15 is 23. So that means this has our equivalent. So I'm going to see the last one. So remember, this star represents multiplication. So just remember that. And again, I'm going to substitute the y with 3. So make sure you do that. So here it says to do parentheses. So I'm doing parentheses for first. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 20 is going to give me 35. So now I'm going to do the next one. And the next one is doing 3. I have to do parentheses. So 3 plus 20 is 23 times 5. Well, 23 times 5 is 15. That's 11. So this is going to be 105. So that means that's not equal. So for the other ones, this one's equal and this one's equal. So that means because they're asking for not true, then my answer is going to be letter C. So here is the equation that is not true. So whenever you have equivalents and they want you to find which one's equivalent, always substitute the variable with 3 or any given number above 3 to help you solve it. And once you solve it, then you could see if it's equivalent or not. So here, letter C is not equivalent because it's not showing the same answer. So make sure you keep doing that. You have one that you're going to practice on your own. So if you forgot how to do it, come back to this video and watch it again, and then practice on the next one.